Hi, I am Jesper Hatt. I'm a private practitioner from Denmark. Today we're going to demonstrate how we use the KaVo SONICflex tips in our practice. Please take a look. I hope you enjoy it. In this case, we have filled a cavity with direct composite. To obtain a perfect shape and smooth surface of the approximal areas, we utilize the KaVo SONICflex stripping shaping instrument. The instrument has a flat surface. On one side, it is a non-working side that can touch the surface of the adjacent tooth without causing any damage to the surface. The other side has a fine gridded diamond coating. The fine diamond coating results in a surface that doesn't need any polishing. Although it is a fine diamond coating, you will find it capable of being highly effective due to the Sonic technology. The tip is very stiff, unable to bend in any direction. This gives you a really fine tactile sensation of your movements while shaping the surface. It is really easy to access any approximal surface and follow the fine tooth morphology. In other words, you can shape the surface of the tooth without damaging any adjacent tooth structure. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. For more info about the KaVo SONICflex tips, please go to the website kavo.com. Have a nice day.